everybody. So today we're gonna make some paper boats. But before we start this video, I want you to like and subscribe to this channel and my other channels, and I'm mentioning it now. Kenny the Handsome Boy 7. That's one of the channels, but other channels don't have video yet. So let's just wait, and I'll mention in some other videos. May not be in this channel, or maybe in the Handsome Boy channel. But let's start. Oh, you saw this easy paper. So we're gonna make a paper boat. So first thing first, we need to do is fold in half, just like this. Do like when you're making a paper airplane. Or if it's not a if you don't know how to make a paper airplane, it'll be in the next video. So first thing first, we'll get this half and then open it, and then what again? Okay, I think I know now. Oh yeah, I have to fold. So you fold like this and go down, and let's make it like this. So make sure everything is clear and good. Then we take this easy thing, fold it like this, and also you fold it the same way in the other side, like this. And it's like this. And after that, you take one piece up over here. Don't take this one. Take this one and fold it up like this. Okay. So fold it up. You'll get like this. And then you flip over here and put it just like that. Put it down like this. And then you go to this side, this easy side. You flip it into the back. Okay, I'll do this way instead. You flip it up here. Okay, just the same as the first one, like this. And then you take over here, down, just the same as the first one. And then this might be a little bit complicated because it's hard. Not that hard. You see the over here, right? You open it, put it just like this. So you'll get a square like this. And there will be a small square and a rectangle around it. You can see it. And you just have to put one side down. Like, you'll put it down just like that. And you'll get like this. So you'll see there is a hole. And over here, the same thing. So you just put it like this. Boop, boop. And when we do that, we'll get an easy triangle. And you can see the bottom. Over here, there's also a hole. You take it up and do the same as last time, but this time you'll find this side which can be opened like just like that. Just like that, just like that. So you open it, you almost get a boat, and the thing that you have to do is press, or if you don't want to, you don't need to, but mine I like to press because it will look nicer, and it will be just like this. And if you want it to float in water, it can, but the water might go in if we do it just like this. So you might have to get this thing a little bit big, a hole over here, and then it will float and go like this. And thank you for watching, and I wish you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you for looking at this. So next time, so comment what should I do next time. Or if you don't comment, I'll just choose myself, okay? Bye bye, thank you.